Our reversible dough sheeter. First off, the overall dimensions. From the back to the front of the conveyor, left to right, we have at least 81.5 inches. A depth of 30 inches. And the overall height, we have at least 50 inches tall. Measurements for the left and right conveyor. We have 37 inches with a length of 19.5 inches. Measurements apply for the front or left and back or right conveyor belt. Coming to the front will be your start and power, along with the touchpad for operation. Coming to the bottom will be a foot pedal, also to operate this machine. Handle here to adjust the left or right conveyor. And coming to the top will be the compression tool to adjust the thickness of the dough feeding through the conveyor. So whether you want your dough to be thick or thin, this compression right here can be adjusted to the dough of your preference. So that way when the dough is fed through the left or right conveyor, this compression, which will be the inside, will either widen or smash that dough. And coming here will be the tool to hold what size or how thick you want the dough to be when it's set. Coming on both sides will be covers that can be opened or closed. So whenever the dough is fed through the left or right conveyor, this can act as a shield or left open to quickly move your dough forward. On the top will be a seasoning tray, and the measurements for that seasoning tray, we have 20 inches in depth by 5 inches in length. An example of this machine would be whenever you're making pizza dough, whether it is fed through the back or the front of the conveyor, this roller here can also act as a guide to flatten out the dough even more whenever it's fed through the left or right conveyor. Coming to the left, along to the right of the conveyor will also be a tray. So whenever the dough is fed through either side, this will act as a drop-in for the dough. So that way you can pull out and insert the tray back in position. The machine uses 110/120 voltage, and coming to the bottom corner will act as an emergency stop along with the main start. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.